In Vietnam, compliance is not just about understanding the law, it's about proving it. Every employer must be able to show signed, dated, and legally compliant HR documentation at any time. Yet, many foreign invested companies discover too late that their global hour templates don't meet Vietnamese legal standards. Missing clauses, untranslated forms, or unregistered internal labor rules can lead to inspection penalties or employee claims. In this legal landscape, your HR documents are your strongest defense. LTS Law's Hour legal templates and compliance checklists are designed to help employers build a complete, compliant HR system that passes any audit or inspection. 1. The legal basis for hour documentation. Vietnam's labor code and related social insurance and tax laws require employers to maintain a full set of HR documents. These include labor contracts, internal labor rules, ILRs, probation agreements, payroll records, and labor reports. Labor inspectors rely on documentation to assess compliance, not verbal assurances. If a required document is missing, incomplete, or improperly formatted, the company can be deemed non-compliant regardless of intent. Maintaining updated templates ensures every process, hiring, managing, disciplining, or terminating employees, is legally defensible. 2. Why global hour templates fail in Vietnam. Many FDI employers assume that their regional or global hour templates work in Vietnam. They don't. Vietnamese labor law requires bilingual contracts, locally registered ILRs, specific notice periods, and lawful termination procedures. Global templates often omit mandatory clauses such as social insurance, working hours, or dispute resolution under Vietnamese law. Even minor translation inconsistencies can invalidate a document before authorities are in court. Using localized templates, drafted under Vietnamese labor law, ensures that every document can withstand inspection and dispute scrutiny. 3. Essential hour legal templates every employer needs. Every company in Vietnam should maintain a core HR documentation set to meet compliance requirements. These include 1. Labor contract, VN/EN bilingual, defines job title, salary, working hours, and benefits. 2. Probation contract, regulates trial employment periods and legal salary rates. 3. Internal labor rules, ILRs, registered with the competent labor authority for disciplinary enforcement. 4. Collective labor agreement, if applicable, for enterprises with organized employee representation. 5. Disciplinary records, including notices, meeting minutes, and decisions. 6. Termination agreement, documents mutual consent and final settlements. 7. Work permit application templates, for foreign employees. 8. Employee data protection policy, ensures compliance with Vietnam's personal data protection regulations. Each template must follow statutory format, contain mandatory clauses, and be bilingual when necessary. 4. Hour compliance checklist for employers. Compliance expectations for employers in Vietnam are higher than ever. A complete HR checklist should include registered internal labor rules with the competent labor authority, updated labor contracts for all staff, proof of social, health, and unemployment insurance contributions, semi-annual labor usage reports, filed in June and December, payroll and overtime records, evidence of employee training on company policies, signed disciplinary and termination records, data protection and consent documentation. This checklist acts as your compliance roadmap. Keeping all records consistent and audit-ready ensures smooth inspections and protects your company from unexpected penalties. 5. Common documentation mistakes. Even large multinational companies often fail inspections because of avoidable documentation errors. The most common include missing employee signatures, using English-only contracts, failing to register ILRs, outdated templates, or inconsistent salary records. Another frequent issue is retaining unsigned digital copies, without original hard copies, which inspectors still require in many provinces. LTS Law regularly helps clients fix these gaps by conducting HR audits, updating document templates, and training HR teams on documentation standards. 6. How digitalization changes compliance. Vietnam's labor authorities are increasingly using digital platforms to verify HR compliance. Employers are now expected to submit labor reports, insurance declarations, and employment data electronically. While this improves efficiency, it also increases visibility. Regulators can detect inconsistencies instantly. Employers must, therefore, ensure that digital HR records mirror the official signed documents. LTS Law helps clients implement hybrid documentation systems, paper-based for legal formality, digital for accessibility, ensuring consistency and legality across all HR records. 7. How LTS Law's Our Toolkit works. LTS Law's Our Legal Toolkit is a comprehensive document package designed specifically for employers in Vietnam. It includes ready-to-use templates, labor contracts, probation agreements, ILRS, NDAS, termination forms, all compliant with the latest Vietnamese regulations. Each template comes with bilingual versions and implementation guidelines for HR teams. The toolkit also includes a compliance checklist that maps out every legal obligation under the Labor Code, helping companies self-audit efficiently. Our lawyers update these materials regularly to reflect new regulations, ensuring your company stays fully compliant without repeated redrafting. 8. Case example. How documentation prevented a dispute. A foreign manufacturing company in Dong Nai once faced an employee's complaint over unpaid overtime. Fortunately, the company had followed LTS Law's documentation process, complete contracts, registered ILRS, signed timesheets, and payment records. When inspected, the company presented all documents within hours. The case was closed immediately with no penalty. The inspector even commended the HR team for their preparation. The lesson is clear. Compliance documentation is not just about legal defense, it is about operational credibility. 9. How LTS Law supports employers. LTS Law provides end-to-end HR compliance support for employers in Vietnam. Our services include drafting and updating HR templates, conducting compliance audits, registering internal labor rules, and training HR departments on documentation standards. We help companies build systems that not only meet legal requirements, but also integrate smoothly with internal HR workflows. Our bilingual lawyers ensure that every document you use in Vietnam, from onboarding to termination, is legally enforceable and audit-ready. In Vietnam, your HR documents are your compliance shield. A missing or incorrect template can cost millions in penalties or lost disputes. Don't wait for an inspection to find out. LTS Law's Our Legal Toolkit and Compliance Checklist give your company everything it needs to operate confidently and legally. Contact LTS Law today to request your customized HR documentation package, built for your industry and workforce size. Stay compliant, stay organized, and let every document in your HR system work for not against your business.